Hi friends, I want to tell you that I've been using this Stanley knife cutter for a few years now. It's still working great. You use it as a regular knife or cutter. You just open it, you can lock it there like that so it won't move and you can do your job. And when of course you know these blades, you can cut them piece by piece so you have always a new knife. And when you need a new blade, you just get this down like this and you just change the blade here. Okay, it's really easy, practical. I'm going to put it again. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.